Hey guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel Voice of Malinki. So today we will talk about the population genetics lecture 2, that is allele frequency. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. Let's talk about allele frequency. So the frequency of an allele of a particular gene in a population is called allele frequency or gene frequency. So allele frequency and gene frequency is same. Suppose a particular gene is A. So A is a gene. This gene contains two alleles A1 and A2. The frequency of A1 or A2 is called gene or allele frequency. Frequency means how many times A1 allele or A2 allele occur in a population. Suppose 10 individuals of a population have gene A. Among them, 6 individuals are homozygous for allele A1. So, A1 is equal to 6 because 6 individuals have A1 genotype. 3 individuals are homozygous for allele A2. So, A2 is 3. So, 3 individuals are homozygous for the allele A2. 1 individual is heterozygous for alleles A1 and A2. So, A1, A2 is equal to 1. So, only 1 individual have the genotype, that is A1, A2. Now, 6 individuals. So, these 6 individuals bearing genotype A1 will contribute 6 into 2, that is equal to 12 A1 alleles, because each of them have 2 A1 alleles. So total 6 persons will have 6 into 2 is equal to 12 A1 alleles. 3 individuals from here, so 3 individuals bearing genotype A2 will contribute 3 into 2 is equal to 6 A2 alleles. So 1 individual in this case will contribute 2 A2 alleles, hence 3 into 2 is equal to 6 A2 alleles will be present in this population. 1 individual here bearing genotype A1 will contribute 1 A1 and 1 A2 allele. So total number of A1 alleles present in a population is 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. So 12 alleles we are getting from here and 1 allele we are getting from here. So 12 plus 1 is equal to 13 alleles. Total number of A2 alleles present in a population is 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So 6 alleles we are getting from here and 1 allele we are getting from here. So total number of alleles, that means A1 plus A2. So total number of these alleles of a particular gene is 13 plus 7. So 13 we are getting from here and 7 we are getting from here. So that is equal to 20. Now frequency of allele A1, that is total number of A1 alleles divided by total number of alleles, that means A1 plus A2 alleles. So here total number of A1 alleles is 13 and total number of alleles is 20. 13 by 20 is equal to 0.65. So the frequency of allele A1 is 0.65. Now frequency of allele A2 is equal to total number of A2 alleles by total number of alleles, that is A1 plus A2. Now total number of A2 alleles we have seen here, that is 7. So 7 and total number of alleles present here is equal to 20. So 7 by 20 is equal to 0.35. So frequency of allele A2 is 0.35. That is all about allele or gene frequency.